we're doing a guacamole. We're making it a little Halloween theme. You want to take about 3 or 4 cups guacamole. You can use store-bought. I personally, I prefer making my own. So this is one I've made. I've got a video to how to do this. Also, I'll leave that in the description below, a link to it. So what we're going to do here, you want to smooth it out in a bowl. You want a little, wider mouth bowl. And I've got about a 1/4 cup of sour cream here and about a teaspoon or so of lime juice just to thin it out. And you want to use either a pastry bag or like a little squeeze tube, or I'm just, I don't have a pastry bag, so I'm just using a ziplock. I cut a small little hole in here. And what we're going to do is just make some concentric circles around the rim here. And then you want to take a knife and just gently draw that out a little bit. Okay, let me set this aside here. And now what we're going to do, we're going to take 2 to 3 black olives. You want to cut them in half and then dispose of that. And then you just want to cut some real thin slices here. Alright, so what we're going to do here, let's embed that down in there. And we're going to give ourselves a little spider. So there we go. We got a little spider with some web. We'll garnish that with some chips. So there you go, folks. You got guacamole with spider web. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you guys can do a better job of getting the web to look right. Anyways, hope you enjoy it.